Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a Pokemon, and this time it's gonna be Phantom. And then again, here is my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed. So right after this sketch, I'll be right back to show you how to draw this with a Sharpie line by line. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch, and let's draw this. Yeah, this one's pretty simple, so we probably don't have to simplify it much. So we're gonna start out with his eyes. So it's just gonna be 2 big egg shapes. Okay, so just draw one and then just come over. Let's draw one more. And the tricky part is to kind of draw the same size. So if you can always just roughly sketch it out first. Alright, and then from there we're gonna finish up the eyeball inside. So we're gonna draw another egg shape. And I'm gonna draw them closer to the middle here. Okay, and then for his mouth, it's gonna have this sad look right here. So just right in the middle. Let's draw a little sad face. And then now for the head, we're just gonna come out and just draw like a big bracket right here. So this is almost like a, just kind of think of it as a pumpkin. Okay, so we just bracket around, and then on the bottom here we just round it out. Okay, so one curve, just round it out. And then on the top here we're gonna draw the same curve but just leave a little bit of space in the middle. So we're gonna come in, just leave a little bit of space, and then from the space just angle it down, just draw like a little V shape. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish up the top, and this is the only tricky part. So from the V shape, I'm just gonna draw another one right on top. And then on this curve, just follow the bottom curve and just end it right around here. Okay, so that's gonna be the front side, and then we won't be able to draw in the back side until we finish the detail in the middle. So on right here, just curve up, and on this side we're gonna curve this way, and then now I'm gonna curve in, make it a little bit wavy, and then on this side we're gonna curve this way. Just kind of follow that curve, just go up, just kind of close everything off. Okay, so now we can finish up the back side of the head. So right here, just gonna curve in. Same thing here, just go right over that curve. And actually, let me shade this in real quick so we can see this. So this is gonna be the inside of the head. Okay, so now let's draw in the, I guess, what you call ears. Right on the side right here, right on the eyeball, just come across. And then on the bottom, just make a little dot. So again, we can draw in the other side too. Just make the placement first. Okay, so just 4 dots, and then from this dot, I'm gonna curve up. Okay, so a little step. Okay, so after this curve, just draw the bottom one. Just come out wider. Go up. And just make it skinnier and skinnier on the top. And then we'll connect this. Alright, so let's try to draw it nice and smooth. So that's the tricky part. So here again, step up. We're gonna hook it back up. And then same thing here on the bottom. We'll come out nice and wide. And just make it skinnier and skinnier on the tip. Okay, and then it's got those little leaves right here. So these are easy. So just little almond shapes. And then we can add in some texture right here. Since it's wood, just add in a few lines like this. Make it look like tree bark. Okay, so that's the head, and then the body's really easy. So we'll start here. You make 2 little dots right in the middle. We'll curve out, and these are gonna be his arms. Just round it out and just go back up. Okay, and then now for the body, I'm gonna start out with this side. We're gonna draw one big curve coming down toward the center. And then now on this side, I'm gonna start right here. Just come out, step down, and just kind of draw a little curvy shape like that. And then here, we're gonna follow this again. Just follow that curve. Just finish it off nice and sharp. And that is it for this Pokemon. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.